Hi guys. Okay, this is just going to be maybe a short little video. Me and Sharon is just having a quick drive. We are going to just see what is around. It has been raining a lot, so sorry for the lack of videos and everything. I've been sick the first part of December, and then a lot of rain and wind and stuff, so yeah, haven't gotten chance to shoot and stuff a lot, but everything is looking a bit better now, so we are out and about. Yeah, we are just going to have a drive, see what's around. In a day or two we'll go to the farm, shoot a bit there. I'll do some testing again, and yeah, but this will be basically just a bunch of scope cam shots. I got the scope cam on the impact, and we'll see what we can get.
Ons skiet hulle. Dat jy nie raak maar nie. Oh, kyk hoe weer.
As we were driving, we saw a bunch of ground squirrels. There are a lot of them, and they also make a lot of holes here in the road. So yeah, I got 3 of them. We are now just going to see where they are. Well, there's one here. There's one. Just see. Okay, that's a vital shot. There's another one. That's also a lung type shot, and I think the other one maybe went into the ground or something, but yeah, well, there's a lot of blood and everything, so okay, well, it is in there. So got 3 of them at least, pretty happy. Sorry for the wind, but yeah, let's see if we can get anything else. Okay, so I also got a pigeon. My parents are away, so I'm looking after their house, and they also have a sausage dog, a Dutch hund, that loves pigeons. So always when I come around, I just shoot a pigeon for him. He really loves it. He's getting quite old now, so I don't know how long I will be shooting pigeons for him still, but yeah, he is going to enjoy this one. Hey. Oof, lekker. Okay, this is the aftermath. Yeah, just feathers. So he really loves his pigeons.
Yes. Ag het daai nie doen gedat.
We had a quick little drive just before sunset. Got some ground squirrels, some pigeons, some sparrows. So yeah, that was just a quick quick drive just before the sunset. I'm pretty happy. It has been raining and stuff a lot and windy, so not the best shooting weather. If you can shoot the 30+ grain big slugs, then it will help a bit more, but I only shoot the 25. I have the 600 slugliner, so yeah, on the smaller relative smaller side, but got a few shots. I'm pretty happy. Fed the dog. He's also very happy. And yeah, if you like the video, like and subscribe. If you want to see more, also subscribe. If you have any ideas for future videos or anything you want to see, leave them in the comments down below. And yeah, we will be bringing you some more review stuff. Got a new gun to test, some scopes to test, and some new slugs and everything. So yeah, we'll be doing all that in the new year. Happy New Year and all of that stuff, and we will see you in the next one.